Hello, Umpile. We are going to be working on our house sound for today, and the sound that we'll be working with today is the ow sound. Let's see what it looks like. Right, so today we'll be working on the ow sound. When an O for orange and an A for umbrella sit next to each other in the same house and they're next to each other and they're a family, they make the ow sound. Now, what words can we think of that have the ow sound in them? There's the ow sound in cloud. There's the ow sound in couch. There's the ow sound in round. There's the ow sound in mouse. There's the ow sound in sound. There's the ow sound in mouth. Okay, so how do we code these words? Remember, when the letter makes the sound by itself, it gets a dot by itself. And when two letters make the sound together, they get a line together. So let's see if we can code these words. Cloud. K-l-ow-d. Cloud. Couch. K-ow-ch. Couch. Round. R-ow-n-d. Round. Mouse. M-ow-s. Now, whenever you see a smiley face like this, it means a consonant is in between two vowels. So this smiley face shows you that this E for elephant is a magic E. So when you see a smiley face, you don't make the sound for the E at the end of the word. So how you code this word is m-ow-s. And there's your smiley face showing you that the E at the end is magic. So we don't say the sound for it. Once again, m-ow-s. Mouse. And how do we code the word sound? S-ow-n-d. Sound. And mouth. M-ow-th. Mouth. And those are our words with the